Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a trip down memory lane to look at a motorcycle that many have probably forgotten, but it's one that truly deserves our respect. This is the Suzuki TS100, a pint-sized two-stroke trail bike that punches way above its weight class. It might not be the fastest or the flashiest bike out there, but its story is one of incredible durability and pure, simple fun. Let's rewind to the 1970s. This was the golden age of dual-sport motorcycles. People wanted bikes that could handle their daily commute during the week and then hit the trails on the weekend. So what made the TS100 tick? At its heart was a 97cc air-cooled, two-stroke, single-cylinder engine. Now you might hear 97cc and think it's underpowered, but remember, this was a two-stroke. It was peppy, responsive, and had that classic, unmistakable ring-ding-ding sound that we all love. With about 10 horsepower, it wasn't going to win any drag races, but that wasn't the point. The power was delivered smoothly, making it perfect for navigating tricky trails or just zipping around town. Plus, Suzuki's CCI oil injection system meant you didn't have to pre-mix your gas and oil, which was a huge convenience back then. It made the bike incredibly user-friendly. The chassis was just as simple and effective as the engine. A sturdy steel frame, conventional telescopic forks up front, and dual shocks in the rear provided a surprisingly comfortable ride both on and off the road. It was light, weighing in at just over 200 pounds, so you could easily flick it through corners and pick it up if you happened to drop it on the trail. That lightweight also meant the modest drum brakes were more than enough to bring you to a safe stop. Everything about this bike was engineered for simplicity and reliability. Riding the TS100 is an experience in pure, unfiltered motorcycling. There are no fancy electronics, no ride modes, no complicated menus. It's just you, a throttle, a clutch, and the open trail. The bike feels incredibly light and agile. You feel connected to the road or the dirt in a way that's often lost on modern, heavier machines. The narrow seat and upright riding position are comfortable for hours, and its low seat height inspires confidence in newer riders. Firing it up with a swift kickstart and hearing that little two-stroke engine come to life is just a joy. It's a bike that constantly reminds you that you don't need a ton of power or technology to have an absolute blast. So why do we call it the forgotten trail bike? Well, over the years, the market shifted. Four-strokes became more popular due to emissions regulations, and bikes got bigger, heavier, and more specialized. The simple, do-it-all dual sport like the TS100 slowly faded into the background, overshadowed by more powerful enduros and more comfortable street bikes. Many of these little Suzukis were ridden hard, put away wet, and eventually just left in barns or sheds to be forgotten. But here's the amazing part, they still work. Decades later, you can pull one of these TS100s out of a dusty corner, clean the carburetor, put in some fresh gas and oil, and there's a very good chance it will fire right back up. Their simple design and robust construction mean there's very little that can go seriously wrong. They are incredibly easy and cheap to work on, and a surprising number of parts are still available. This is a testament to Suzuki's engineering from that era. They built machines that were meant to last. Today, the Suzuki TS100 represents a beautiful piece of motorcycling history. It's a reminder of a time when bikes were about freedom, simplicity, and accessibility. For collectors, it's an affordable entry into the world of vintage Japanese motorcycles. For riders, it's a chance to experience the raw, joyful essence of trail riding. It proves that a great motorcycle isn't just about horsepower or top speed. It's about the smiles it puts on your face. So if you ever see a little Suzuki TS100 for sale, don't overlook it. It might just be the most fun you'll ever have on two wheels. Thanks for joining me on this look back at the amazing Suzuki TS100. What are some of your favorite forgotten bikes from this era? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.